Want to try out all the new iOS 26 features before anyone else?
Yes! 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 Yes!
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install the iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone. Step by step, completely free, and using Apple's official method. Here's what you'll get. You'll see how to check if the update is already available in your settings, how to fix it if it's not showing up, how to quickly enroll your Apple ID on Apple's developer site, and finally how to download and install iOS 26. Follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll have iOS 26 running on your iPhone and be among the first to explore what's new. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check for the beta update. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then go to Software Update. Now, wait for it to load. If your Apple ID is already enrolled in Apple's developer program, you'll see a new option called Beta Updates. Tap on it, and you should see iOS 26 Developer Beta available here. If you see it, congratulations, you're ready to install. But if you don't see this option, don't worry. That simply means your Apple ID hasn't been enrolled yet. In that case, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Enroll your Apple ID in the Developer Beta program. Open the Safari browser on your iPhone, and in the address bar, type developer.apple.com. This will take you to Apple's official developer website. I'll also leave the link in the video description for quick access. Once the page loads, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Then choose Account. Now sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure this is the same Apple ID that's logged in on your iPhone under iCloud. That's very important. Enter your email or phone number, then your password. And if you have Face ID or Touch ID, you can use it to continue. Apple will also ask for two-factor authentication. Make sure you have that enabled. Simply enter the verification code sent to your trusted device. Once logged in, you'll see the Apple Developer Agreement. Scroll all the way down. Choose whether or not you want to receive updates and then tap Agree. That's it. Your Apple ID is now enrolled in the free Apple Developer Program. You don't need to pay anything. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. This next step is very important. Once you've enrolled, you need to restart your iPhone for the changes to take effect. So, press and hold the side button, along with either volume button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off. Wait around 10 seconds, and then press and hold the side button again to turn your iPhone back on. Once your iPhone restarts, unlock it, and let's go back to Settings. Step 4. Enable beta updates. Now that your iPhone is restarted, go again to Settings. General. Software Update. This time, you should see the Beta Updates option appear. Tap on it and select iOS 26 Developer Beta. Go back. And now the iOS 26 Developer Beta update should show up, ready to download and install. Step 5. Backup before updating. Before you install iOS 26, there's one more thing you must do. Back up your iPhone. Since this is a beta version, bugs and issues are expected. Backing up ensures that if something goes wrong, you won't lose your data. To back up, go to Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Then go to iCloud and choose iCloud Backup. Here, tap Backup Now and wait for it to finish. Alternatively, you can connect your iPhone to a computer and use Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows to create a full backup. Once you've backed up, you're ready for the update. Step 6. Download and install iOS 26 Developer Beta. Now go back to Settings, General, Software Update. Here you'll see iOS 26 Developer Beta with two options: Update Now or Update Tonight. If you tap Update Now, the installation will begin right away. If you choose Update Tonight, your iPhone will automatically install the update overnight while charging. Either way, once the process starts, your iPhone will prepare the update, restart, and then install iOS 26. Step 7. Set up after installation. Once the installation is done, your iPhone will reboot, and you'll see the Apple logo while the update is being applied. After a few minutes, your device will start up normally, and you'll be running iOS 26 Developer Beta. And that's it. You've successfully installed iOS 26 Developer Beta on your iPhone. To quickly recap, first, check if you already have beta updates and settings. If not, enroll your Apple ID at developer.apple.com. Restart your iPhone, enable beta updates, and select iOS 26 Developer Beta. Always back up your iPhone before installing. Finally, download and install the beta update. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting us know what iOS 26 feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.